Hello, good day, and welcome back to joining me on my channel. So I'm very excited. I am going to be working with this resin, as I've been using lately, Naked Fusion, the artist's resin, crystal clear, and it really is crystal clear. Just give you a quick rundown. It is heat resistant, it is UV resistant, has a long working time, it's self-leveling. You can use it for everything: coasters, casting, dirty pours, jewelry, river tables, and geodes. And I am going to do a geode today. I'm very proud of myself. This was cut out by me with my new jigsaw. Love it. And I sanded the edges so they're all nice and rounded. This is the other thing I'm very excited about. So I got sent these mica powders, also by Naked Fusion, and there are some stunning colors. Now in the description box below, there is a discount code for everything except the gallon of resin, because that's already discounted. Anyway, so look at these, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to use these for my geode. There's 50 different colors. And I think I'm going to do my geode in purple. So I'm going to get mixing with the resin, and then I will be back. I'm going to do this, shoot this from above. I was going to do it from the side, but I think you'll just see better. So what I've got, I have these glass, actually glass mosaic tiles. So I've got those down here and just held down with a bit of glue, the E6000. And so once again, there is a link below and a code, and that will give you 10% discount off the 16-ounce size of resin. And you should check out their website too, because they have all sorts of goodies. And in this box, you get 50 colors, and they're all absolutely just gorgeous and glowy and metallic. And that includes 4 ghost colors. So for this, I am going to use definitely some ghost violet and some ghost green at some point as well. So let me get my resin mixed. Right, so the ghost violet, I think I'm going to use the smallest amount. These have 5 grams of powder in each one. Oh, actually, the first thing I'm going to do is, let me put that over there. I have some slightly amethyst coloured crystals, which I'm going to put around the edge of the hole. I can pick up what's dropped later. Move my resins out of the way. It's actually quite a big geode. It's about, I don't know, maybe 18 inches across. Okay, let's just sweep up the stragglers. So let me get a brush and do that. All right, back to business. I'm going to use my Ghost Violet if I can open it, and I think I'm going to have to take my glove off. Both gloves. Oh, my hand's getting all hot and sweaty. It's pretty heavily pigmented. Ooh, can you see that? The ghost violet. I'm going to add a little bit more. By the way, I gessoed this board, the wood, after I'd jigsawed it. It's my first jigsaw effort, and it was really easy, really, really easy. So I'm going to mix these in well. I'm going to turn the light on. That's better. Right, that's mixed in, absolutely beautifully blends into the resin. And I'm going to go around the crystals. And put all around here. Oh, I can't wait till this is dry and show you out in the light. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, that's my first ring. My second ring, I am going to use electric. No, the second one I'm going to, yes, I'm going to use electric violet on the second one. And I will use this amount. So I am going to fast forward this bit now. The other colours I'm going to use are Lilac and Amethyst and some Ghost Green. I was going to put some Slate Silver in, but okay, so what I've done is I've put a barrier around the outside because I don't want the gemstones to creep off. When I'd finished the base layer last night, a lot of it did just drip off, so I want to make sure it stays in. So I have the Amethyst in here. This is the darkest colour. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to use this silicone bowl because it'll help me place the resin better. Give something. Is that layer done? I just put a tiny bit here. I'm going to torch that. What's my torch? And I'm going to let that dry. Now, the other thing I wanted to do was put some more crystals around this. And this time I'm going to do the resin first. And then put the crystals on. So I kind of want to cover up those. Okay, I've got my spoon. Okay, so I'm going to leave that now, let that dry, and then do the next step. This is all dried now. I took off the duct tape and plastic that I had securing this all in place from the side, and this is all lovely and firm and nothing's going to run through it. Make sure it's level. And I am going to move those out of the way, 3 colors this time. I am going to use the Ghost Violet again, and the Lilac, and the Ghost Green, and I might use a little bit of the Slate Silver. Haven't decided yet, might not be any room for that. And so make sure the pigments are mixed in. They are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to keep the green away from the Ghost Green away from the Ghost Violet because I might not be able to tell them apart. Actually, I can. Right, I'm going to pinch that to make a little pouring nozzle. And very gently to draw in the geode details. And there's a little hole there. And then do one final flood coat of resin. Perfect. And I'm really glad I used the grey because these two are kind of similar to each other. So this is absolutely gorge. Gorge begeorge. Okay. See you tomorrow.
So pretty.
So I finished, and I'm going to bring you in for a close-up, and you can see how these pigments are just gorgeous. And the video is just not doing it justice. And then what I decided to do was, instead of just having a big hole in the middle, I put a mirror in. So I don't even know if you can see it. Let me wave. There we go. Hi. So now it is a geode mirror. And you can see, that's a good close-up. definitely go to nakedfusion.com and try out their pigments and use my discount with the link in the description below for the 16-ounce resin. Thanks for watching. See you next time.